Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, but don't want to show your face? Perhaps you are camera shy, or you simply value your privacy. Today, we dive into 14 faceless YouTube channel ideas that can help you make money anonymously. Number 1. DIY tutorials. These channels are a treasure trove for those who love creating and fixing things. With the right instructions and step-by-step guides, you can teach your viewers anything from knitting a sweater to building a treehouse. Second, video game reviews. The gaming community on YouTube is vast and continually growing. Create a channel that provides insightful and entertaining reviews of the latest games. Third, technology reviews. Keep your viewers updated on the latest gadgets and software, offering detailed overviews and evaluations. Fourth, illustration or animation channels. If you are talented in drawing or animating, this could be your niche. Create captivating characters and stories that will keep your audience coming back for more. Fifth, podcast channels. Share your thoughts, interviews, or stories in an engaging audio format. Remember, a well-crafted script and high-quality sound are key. Sixth, meditation channels. With the increasing interest in mental health and wellness, a channel offering guided meditations could be a hit. Seventh, motivational channels. Inspire your audience with uplifting messages and success stories. Make your channel a source of positivity and encouragement. Eighth, music channels. Whether you create your own music or curate playlists, a music channel can attract a wide range of listeners. Ninth, news channels. Keep your audience informed about the latest happenings around the world. Be timely, accurate, and unbiased. 10th, tour videos. Give your viewers an immersive experience of different locations, cultures, and cuisines, all from the comfort of their homes. 11th, tutoring channels. Share your knowledge on a specific subject. It could be anything from mathematics to music theory. 12th, cooking channels. Share your love for food and cooking by creating recipe videos or sharing cooking tips. 13th, book review channels. If you're an avid reader, why not share your thoughts and opinions on the latest books? Lastly, number 14, financial advice channels. Educate your viewers about managing money, investing, or retirement planning. To recap, the 14 faceless YouTube channel ideas are DIY tutorials, video game reviews, technology reviews, illustration or animation channels, podcast channels, meditation channels, motivational channels, music channels, news channels, tour videos, tutoring channels, cooking channels, book review channels, and financial advice channels. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel lies in creating engaging content, focusing on niche topics, and building a strong audience base. So what are you waiting for? It's time to start your faceless YouTube journey today.